How to install Amazon app on iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install or download Amazon application to shop on your iPhone devices. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically here it's a very pretty simple method. You can apply and you can download the Amazon app. Here you can see the app store. Just go to app store, and here you have to search for Amazon. Okay, you have to search for Amazon, and then after searching for Amazon, here you can see this is the one. So just click on get, and then after clicking to this get, just click the okay, it's verified and it's on a downloading process. You can see here, just hold on for some times. It depends upon the network you are using. So here you can see it's on a downloading process. So guys, it's done. So just click on open option. You can see here I have successfully got the Amazon application on my iPhone. So this is how you can do that. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.